Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another video of CSS advanced course. So in this video we are going to talk about the pagination in CSS. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So first let me show you what is the pagination, and we are going to create this. So as you can see in this website, this is called the pagination. So if you have a website with a lot of web pages and you want to sort this by using the numbers of web pages, you can use or you can create a pagination for your website. So as you can see, this is pagination. So we are going to create one pagination for our website. So you can also use this codes to add a pagination in your website. So first we are going to create a div class, and I'm going to name this pagination. After that I'm going to create a element, and inside the a element I'm going to, and this one will be an arrow for the which will target for the previews, and I'm going to copy this. Let's copy this and paste it 5 times, and I'm going to paste it at last as well. And this one will be, take us back to the first page, and I'm going to show you how it works. So when I save this, as you can see, it will looks like this. So this one will be take us back to the first page, and this one will take us back to the last page. So and here I'm going to create another div. So this div name is pagination as well, and this div will add some arrow. Alright, so when I save this, as you can see, this one is also added right here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump over to CSS and let's design this. So first let's target the pagination, and here we're going to use the display and line block attribute. So when I save this, as you can see, it comes side by side, and after that I'm going to target the pagination and a element, and here I'm going to select the color. So the color will be black and the float left, and here I'm going to add padding. Padding will be 8px by 16px, and after this I'm going to add the text decoration. Text decoration will be none, so it will remove this underlines. So when I save this, as you can see, the background is black, and the margin is added, and also the underline is removed. So now let me add some numbers here, different numbers, 2 and 6. Now let's save this. Here we go. And after the text decoration, we are going to add the transition. So transition duration will be 0.4 seconds, and let's add border 1px, solid, this color, and now I'm going to add margin. Margin will be 0 pixel by 4 pixel, and let's add border dash top dash. Here I'm going to add the So first let me save this. As you can see, I have added a border to every single element here, and I want to reduce the top left corner from here and the bottom right side here. So if I say F left, top left will be this section of the element reduce. So this one will reduce 9px. When I save this, as you can see, this top left corner is reduced. So also I'm going to reduce this bottom right side. So this one will be border dash bottom dash right reduce. This one will be 9 pixel as well. So when I save this, here we go, as you can see. And after this, I'm going to add the font. Font width will be bold. Save this. Here we go. Here it is. And now what I'm going to do, when I hover the cursor, the background color should change and the text should change to the white color. And now let's target the pagination. Pagination A colon hover. Whenever I hover the cursor, the background color should change. The background color should this color, and the text color should be white. Save this. So as you can see, when I hover the cursor, as you can see, the background color changes. Here we go. So that's it. Hope you understand. This is how we can create the pagination for our web page. So it will not work now, because for adding the functionality into this pagination, you need to work on the JavaScript. So we are not going to work JavaScript in this video. So that's it. It's only CSS. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you understand. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.